NanoQuinn, world-class German smart nanocoatings.
Can you imagine the shocking impact of short circuits? Yes, you must safeguard your investments today. Your shield against short circuits has arrived. Nano innovation in moisture protection to prevent electric and electrical devices and installations from humidity, salt water, condensation, fog, rain. Discover the German beauty of moisture protection for your electrical gadgets, powered by cutting-edge nanotechnology. Achieves high dielectric strength in 100 hours, providing top-tier moisture protection. NanoQuinn Moisture Protection for Short Circuit Prevention is a flexible protective smart nanocoating that can be applied at ambient temperatures. Its application is extremely simple and is suitable for all the standard methods of application, including dipping and spraying. The circuit should be sprayed and left for 2 to 3 minutes before being turned on. The full effect of the smart nanocoating is achieved after 10 minutes of application. NanoQuinn Moisture Protection prevents short circuits and extends the lifespan of industrial and consumer electrical devices, ideal for PCBs, automotive, electrical equipment, electrical contacts, wires, motors, ignition systems, windings, fuses, switchgear, junction boxes, power plant, and many more. Empower your electrical equipment with our Moisture Protection Smart Nanocoating for unmatched performance and protection.